Hey, it's your mama Mish, and I'm about to show you the step-by-step how to make these Apron party favor bags. First, I grabbed these gift bags from Dollar Tree. Next, I used some cardstock to section out my sides. For that exact crescent shape, you want to put that on both sides. And that makes it easier to trace for each additional bag. Then you'll grab your handy dandy scissors and cut upward, because if you try to cut downward, it's very tough at the top of the bag, so you'll have trouble cutting and you'll also have some misalignment and it'll be an odd shape. So be sure to cut upward towards the top of the bag as opposed to downward. All right, let's cut our pocket out. So for this, I grabbed some red cardstock and I went ahead and pre-sketched it out because I want to make sure that all of them are the same size. And I made it in terms of a more U shape. If you're looking for colorful bags, be sure to get the plain paper bags, as the glossy ones do get holes on the sides and they're easily rippable and won't cut right. And if you want to save on resources, what you cut out on the sides of your bag can also be used for the pocket, especially if you use a variety of colors. You can go ahead and modify just the bottom of it to make it more of that kind of boxy circle or rounded shape. And there you go. All right, so once we have our pockets cut out, we'll proceed with taping that or adhering it to the bag. You can use double-sided tape, or you can use glue or any regular tape. And to make it more personalized, I designed these labels in Canva and then printed them through Avery.com. And they were the perfect addition to these bags. Ta-da! Quick, simple, and easy. Hope you enjoyed. Be sure to check out the next video to see how the party turned out. Like and subscribe.